Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Facebook password while logging into your account. Also in this video you will learn how you can reset Facebook password without any recovery number and Gmail address. Okay, so keep watching this video till the end and also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started. Sometimes we don't use our Facebook password for a long time and finally we forgot our password. In such cases, even though our Facebook account is still logged into our mobile phone, we don't remember the password, right? So in this situation, let me show you how to reset your Facebook password without using a recovery number or Gmail address. First of all, open your Facebook application. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and go to settings. Then go to account center. From here, go to password and security. And click on change password option. Since we forgot the password, we have to just click on forget your password. You will see here lots of options for reset your password. So to reset it without a recovery number or Gmail address, just select send via Facebook notification. Then tap on continue. Now you will receive a 6-digit code in your Facebook notification. As you can see, I have got this code. So just type it here and tap on continue. Now set a password and click on next. That's it, your password has been reset. So friend, like this way you can easily reset your password without any recovery number and Gmail address. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.